The Crow was more than just a movie, it was a cultural phenomenon, a dark, gritty masterpiece that left an incredible mark on the hearts of millions. And I did rewatch it before I watched the new remake, this retelling of the story. He just walked up the stairs like they were spitting spitballs at him out of a straw. It was ridiculous. It didn't feel natural. It didn't feel like it was enough for him to come back for her like that. They spent 2 weekends together and they shacked up. Oh, I love you. Oh, you're the best thing that ever happened to me. And hated the scene where they're on a bridge. Eric, if I jumped off the bridge, would you jump with me? Don't leave me. Don't ever leave me. Like, oh my God, get this girl away. That fight, it's a great fight. It's awesome. It's brutal, gory, but it's played to opera music. There was no point to having the bird in the film. I think that's kind of unfortunate. It was a solid attempt to redo this film, but